What is the difference between HubSpot's lifecycle stage, lead status, and deal stage? Finally answered. All right, so looking over down here at my screen, we're finally going to have a look at what the actual difference is between HubSpot's lifecycle stage, lead status, and deal stage. The yellow are the lifecycle stages, the default ones that you get in your portal with HubSpot. These aren't bad. They're pretty good as a starting point. You can customize these, though, to reflect your business. However, these ones are a really good starting point if you're not sure. In blue, we have the lead status. Now, the lifecycle stage refers to a contact's, it is a timestamp of a contact's stage within the whole entire customer journey path that they go through with your business, right from the very beginning of entering your system all the way through to having a deal or an opportunity with you, through to being a customer or anything other than that. So that's what a life cycle stage is. And within HubSpot, you can get some really powerful reporting using the life cycle stage property. Now, if we take one step down and we look at the blue tag here, which is also known as the contact lead status, the contact lead status works in synergy with the life cycle stage. And you can see here how they're mapped to line up to the similar points. So when a contact has an in progress lead status, for example, their life cycle stage is equivalent to sales qualified. When they have an open deal, their life cycle stage is equivalent to opportunity. So the contact lead status is really indicative of the steps prior to a deal being opened, and potentially also after the deal's been closed, or the contact itself needs some type of tagging or categorization as to who they are in your database. And finally, the third level down are these red cubes here, and these are the deal stages. Again, these are all based off of the default stages that you'll find in your HubSpot portal, and the deal stages are indicative of the stages that a deal, a commercial opportunity, goes through when you have it in your pipeline. So you can see here how opportunity lifecycle stage to a contact maps to open deal lead status, which maps to the various deal stages within an open deal in your sales pipeline. When a deal is moved to closed won, the contact associated to that deal naturally becomes a customer lead status and a customer lifecycle stage. And if they move to closed lost, for whatever reason, they could be moved to unqualified or other, or potentially a different stage here. And the way we make this marrying up happen and work in your HubSpot portal is through workflows.